doing this little Tikes play table. It's very old. It was my husband's back when he was younger, so it's probably at least 20 years old. It's been living outside its whole life, so it was quite dirty and gross when we got it. I took bleach and a spray brush to it and scrubbed it down, and then I hit it with a pressure washer, and that got most of the dirt and grime and gunk off. So it's looking pretty good now, but we just want to make it a little more modern, freshen up a little bit so our son can use it. So we're going to spray paint it, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got Rust-Oleum spray paint, I got nutmeg and moss green. I'm going to do the nutmeg for the tabletop and the seat tops, and then the green for the base. I ended up just getting 4 cans because I'm not really sure. I got 2 of each color. Not sure how much I'll need. I can always go back and get more. So we'll just start with that. First, I'm going to tape off the top or the bottom part and paint the top first. So we'll do the nutmeg first, and then we'll see how that looks. And then we'll move on to the green moss. So since this table is really old, it doesn't come apart like the new ones do. The new ones, you can just break them all apart and each piece is separate, and you can just spray paint them all that way, so it's way easier. But this one, it won't break apart, so we have to wrap it all up. And I'm sure there's an easier way to wrap it all up, and I picked the hardest way. And the wind's not helping. But I think I got it. Good enough. It'll work. So here we go. See how it goes. Coats on it so far, and I used basically a whole can of spray paint. There's a little bit left, so I'm gonna let it sit and dry for a little bit and see how it goes. May have to add a little bit more to it and then flip it up and hit the inside spots, but otherwise it's turned out pretty good so far. Okay, so the top is done. It looks good. Now I'm just going to do the bottom and do it in the moss green, and then hopefully we'll be done. That'll be it. Okay, so I just flipped the table over. There are a few spots I had to touch up with spray paint. It looks pretty good. I'm not the best spray painter, so I'm still learning. But overall, not too bad. I ended up using about 1.5 cans of the brown for the top and a little less than a whole can for the green. So it's probably about $15 worth of spray paint total, so not too bad. All right, here's the final result. Not too shabby. I'll link the spray paints below that I used, and if you want to keep following along, we'll be uploading a lot more videos of all of our projects that we have going on. And thanks for watching. See y'all next time.